Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are from first year of Computer Department of Zil College of Engineering. Welcome, my name is Phapale Karishma and my team members are Mahadik Gitesh, Khushi Pandey and Omkar Pawar, whose constant guidance and encouragement crown all efforts with success. We are grateful to our project guide Mrs. Pushpamala Shinde ma'am for the guidance and constructive suggestion that helpful us in the preparation of this project. So, our project name is Online Exam Portal. In this COVID-19 pandemic, it is totally risky to conduct lecture and exams offline for both student and teachers because safety of student as well as teachers is very important. But students were getting so many losses in their studies, and from educational approach it is not good. So we decided to make one secure website for conducting exam online to avoid risk, and also students can give the test according to their convenience. In our website, students can easily appear to their exam. For initiating this system, teacher or test organizer must have to start MySQL and Apache in XAMPP, as we told earlier that it is an easy and secure website. Reason behind that, it is only teachers or test organizers can manipulate this exam. So let's see how can they manipulate. For these teachers have to go on Chrome and have to search localhost / myphpadmin. After that, here in this table, teachers have to manually add student email and password. Note that only those students can appear to exam whose email and passwords are mentioned here, and this is called as the validation. After adding emails and passwords, simply click go button. Now our website is ready to take exam. Now teachers have give them their valid email and password through which they will give this exam. Now students have to go on a Chrome browser and have to search localhost. After that, this login page is appear. This login page is made for a security purpose. Now students have to enter their valid email and password given by the teachers. If you entered valid email and password, you will move further. Or if in case you enter wrong or invalid email and password, it can't give you permission to move further. So let's see what happened in both cases. Firstly, I am entering the wrong email and password. Then you can clearly see notification that email and passwords are incorrect. Now I am entering the valid email and password. Then you can see here it is said that login successfully. Now you have to click on the OK button. So the exam page is appeared now. Firstly, students have mandatory to fill all the details listed above. After that, you can start the exam. As it's MCQ based exam, so students have to select one correct option out of 4. And all the questions are mandatory to attempt. There is no chance of leakage of questions because only teachers can add or edit the questions in the code. Please don't click on a submit button before completing all the required details and answer, otherwise you cannot submit your test. So be careful before clicking on a submit button. Do check whole exam form again. If all details and options were filled, then only click on a submit button. After that, you will get a notification that your form is submitted successfully. Simply you have to click on a submit button and your form will be submitted. Now for checking a response given by the students, teachers simply have to go on a localhost / myadmin again. Now here you can see details of the students who appear to the exam, even at what time they were started. And also the options selected by the student and form that teachers can easily make the result of the students This online exam portal is developed using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, XAMPP and SQL. Fully meets the objective of the system for which it has been developed. The system has meet the objective of the system for which has been developed. The system has reached a steady state where all the bugs have been eliminated. The system is operated at a high level of efficiency and all the teachers and users associated with the system understand its advantage. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our website and video also. Don't forget to like. Wish you a happy day.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.